Hello everyone, in this guide I'll show you how to import a Blender model into Roblox Studio. Firstly, make sure your model is complete, clean and properly UV unwrapped if it needs textures. Save your Blender project before continuing. Now, go to File, Export, Wavefront and choose where to save it. Ensure the following options like include normals, include UVs and selection only if you only want a part of your scene. Click Export OBJ. Now, open Roblox Studio and in the Explorer or View tab, enable Asset Manager. Click Bulk Import or go to View, Asset Manager, Bulk Import. Upload your OBJ file and once imported, drag your model from the Asset Manager into the scene. Now resize, position and anchor the model as needed. You may need to apply mesh parts or set collision settings. Apply any necessary textures or materials. Your Blender model is now live in Roblox, giving players a chance to interact with your custom creation. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.